Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. Yes guys, if today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. Welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to show some love to this video by giving me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share my video, and for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support. Like guys, I truly appreciate. I don't take them for granted. All the massive love you guys are always showing me, I appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much guys. So today we will be talking about 21 high protein foods that you should eat regularly. Okay, so if you'll be interested in this kind of video, just sit back and relax guys. But first, let's talk about protein. Proteins are large complex molecules that play many critical roles in the body. They do most of the work in cells and are required for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. Proteins are large biomolecules and macromolecules that comprises one or more long chains of amino acid residues. So guys, just relax, okay? Because in this video there are a lot of things to learn. So I will be talking about 5 of the high protein food, like explaining about them. So I will just measure the name of the remaining 16 because I don't want this video to be too long. So let's get started. Milk. Milk is one of the best foods, as well as one of the most accessible and popular sources of protein. It also contains a considerable amount of vitamin A and vitamin D. Oats. Carbohydrates and fiber are abundant in oats, particularly the powerful beta-glucan. They also include more protein and fat than other grains. Chicken breast. Foods that are high in protein, such as chicken breast. Chicken breast contains vitamin B, vitamin D, calcium, iron, zinc, and minor amounts of vitamin A and vitamin C. Greek yogurt. Yogurt is another dairy product that is high in calcium, protein, potassium, and vitamins B2 and B12. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are high-protein vegetarian foods that are edible seeds found in pumpkins. They are high in iron, magnesium, and zinc, among other minerals. Please kindly hit the subscription button. Subscribe, guys. It's free. Thank you. Eggs, cottage cheese, steak, almonds, beans and lettuce, quinoa, chickpeas, tuna, salmon, tilapia, broccoli, sardines, mackerel, cashew nuts, walnuts, Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've learned one or two things from this video. If you do, kindly give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share my video, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.